Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating a fresh canvas in Paint 3D so you have room to work. Open the app and pick New Project. Next, set a canvas size, choose pixels or a ratio like 16:9 because that defines final export dimensions. Make sure Snap or Grid is on if you want alignment help. This saves time when combining objects. Finally, import any reference image now so you can trace or match colors as you build the 3D scene. Now you create and refine objects. Insert primitives from the 3D library or import a model file like obj. You do this because a base shape speeds sculpting. Once in place, adjust scale, rotate, and position. Switch between perspective and orthographic to check proportions. Then apply brushes, stickers, and texture maps to add detail. Change material finishes for metallic, matte, or translucent looks. Take time to group parts and name layers, so later edits stay organized and non-destructive. Finish by choosing a camera angle and tweaking lighting and shadow so your model reads clearly. These choices affect mood and legibility. When ready, export either as a 2D PNG or JPEG for images, or GLB/FBX for 3D. Confirm resolution and file settings before saving. If the export stalls or the model looks wrong, try reducing mesh complexity, merge unnecessary layers, or restart Paint 3D to clear memory. If problems persist, reopen the project and re-export a smaller test file first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.